Hello students, today our topic is Bahadur Shah Zafar's reign as the last Mughal emperor. Bahadur Shah Zafar became the 20th and last Mughal emperor. He was known as nominal emperor. People chose him as their emperor in 1856 at the time of War of Independence, but he was incapable of running the state. War of Independence concluded in November 1858. In 1858, British sent him to Rangoon as prisoner. Thus, the flickering lamp of Mughal Empire was blown off forever. He died in Rangoon in 1862 and is buried there. Bahadur Shah Zafar is also famous for his literary aspect. He was a good poet and patronized a number of poets. Poets like Mirza Ghalib and Ibrahim Zauq were attached to his court. Khan Momin and Mustafa Khan Shifta were also prominent poets of his literary gatherings. Next topic is the British took over the subcontinent. War of Independence in 1857 was a crucial point in the history of the subcontinent. Because of this war, the people of this region struggled. After the failure of this war, there remained no challenge to the British rule. After war, British adopted a policy of uneven treatment against the Muslims. The challenges faced by Muslims in subcontinent after War of Independence. The Muslims faced many challenges in the subcontinent. Some are mentioned below: the loss of political power of Muslims, the ruin of their economic basis, threat of the annihilation of Islamic culture. Muslims became landless. Many Muslims had to lose their employment. The major impact and challenge was the introduction of the Government of India Act 1858, which abolished the rule of British East India Company and marked the beginning of British rule, that bestowed powers in the hands of the British government to rule India directly through its representatives.